If you're looking for a low mile Camaro convertible, nicely equipped, here you go. 2011 Chevrolet Camaro convertible, 2SS package. Absolutely beautiful in victory red. Kind of the dark gray interior. As you can see, the black racing stripes on it. The other thing that this has added to it, if you noticed, it does have the ground effects. So it's got the lower body ground effects to it. I'll kind of point those out as we go around. This car has a whopping 3,500 miles on it, 3,505 to be exact. Take a look at that lower fascia, that lower ground effect that is added on there from the stock. Giving it a little more of a lower stance, lower look to it. So it does have the polished wheels. It's powered by a 6.2 liter V8 underneath the hood. Has Pirelli tires that have been added to it. Those were added in the last 2 to 3 years. So due to age, the tires were replaced. So you don't have to worry about doing that, because the original tires will be coming up on 8-9 years old now. Paint is in very nice shape, but I guess that's what you'd expect out of a 3,505 mile car or 504 mile car. I forget what it is. We'll get around there and check it out. You can see the interior and everything just basically looks like new. I put that parade boot in the cover to picture it up and do the video. I think it was the same time it's ever been out of the carrying case. Carrying case is in the trunk. The license plate bracket along with the rivets and everything to put it on are in the trunk. They're still in the plastic, the rivets and everything. Check out the still pictures. I got pictures of all that at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to call us and inquire about this car, 507-386-1726. Look down the side there too. That's that body effects, ground effects package, whatever you'd like to call it. Like I said, kind of gives it that little lower slung stance look to it. Come around to the back, the exhaust openings in the back and some chrome. Again, you can see the flat black deck stripes on the trunk lid. So 2011 Camaro convertible 2SS package. Extremely low miles. Was just taken out for 400 or 500 miles at a time each summer and put back away in storage. It came to us from a local collector. We ended up with quite a few cars from the family, and this is one of them that is now being offered for sale. Can't imagine you'd find any cleaner ones out there. Let's go ahead and start it up too, so you can hear the exhaust. A little bit of a rumble to it, nothing crazy. There's the miles, 3,504. Close the door so it doesn't ding. As you can see, there's no check engine lights on. Just flashing the seatbelt warning since I don't have that on. All your steering wheel controls, tap shift, cruise. Here's your gauge cluster. Comes with that SS package. Heated seats both sides. Stereo. OnStar, and your power top button is right up here. Top is black, of course. Slip around to the back so you can hear this. Again, just a little rumble out of it. Nothing crazy. Again, check out those still pictures. There's the underside, trunk, engine bay. So you can take a look at them. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or like I said, feel free to give us a call. Car stands tall, nothing to hide on it. Very, very nice low mile Camaro. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. We can assist with shipping all over the country. Give us a call.